Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to use Trainfire 3D Pro version 3.3. First, you need the rooted phone here. You need to root your Samsung Galaxy on and go to my files, and here's my folder of Trainfire 3D and also the plugins there. So click on Trainfire 3D here, click on install here and open. Using Trainfire 3D is very nice because you can play HD games here. First, you need to install the CF3D driver, and here there's a beta EGL driver. It's optional if you want or don't want to tick on that, but in my case, I will click on that because I have a CM7 libs by Useps for playing GTA 3. So I will click on that, and I will click install. Never mind the warning and click install. And it will automatically reboot. Just wait for it. Here's Samsung Galaxy. Wait for it. But make sure if you click if you tick on the EGL driver, you must have your Nandroid backup. So wait for it till vibrates. Yes. So now go to Trainfire 3D here. So as you can see, checking is super user, so you must have rooted phone. So here, as you can see, we successfully installed the CF3D driver. Now install plugins. Put put all the three plugins into the root of your SD card anywhere of your SD card. It must be there. So do a searching for the plugins. Just wait. So now here are the three plugins. So click on that and okay. Click on the Power VR. Okay. NVIDIA. Okay. Go back and fix market settings. Okay. And now go to default OpenGL settings. Yes. And here you can reduce texture quality, and you can reduce texture size also. And here use a plugin. It's either NVIDIA, Power VR, Qualcomm. It depends on the data files of your game. So I will choose Qualcomm. And now minimize your Trainfire 3D, and you can play any games you want. So that you have successfully installed the Trainfire 3D, and that's very easy. And so thanks for watching, guys, and hope can you will be able to play HD games after installing this. So goodbye. Please like and comment or subscribe. Thanks.